So for watch, we're going to give the verbal command watch. We're going to point between our eyes. And then what we want is the dog to lock eyes with us. As soon as it does, we're going to mark that with a yes. And I'm going to treat. As we go on, things I can do are to say watch. As soon as the dog's eyes lock with mine, mark it with a yes. But then wait to treat. I can move around, make sure I'm keeping their eye contact to draw that focus and their attention span to grow that. So watch, yes. Good watch. Once I've got this down, then I want to make sure that I have this neutral. So if I continue to keep doing this with my finger or a treat in my hand, treat in the hand being the biggest thing. So if I continue to watch, yes, then they'll start watching my hand too much. So then I want to make sure that I have that neutral. I can place my hands behind my back. Bingo. Watch. Yes. Say his name. Say his name. Yep. Say it. Mango, watch. Yes. Yes. Good boy.